Ayun no. So magdadala na kami ng ibon sa OLR. So pakita ko sa inyo kung sino-sino mga kasama ko. Let's go. No, yung dalawa, si Top Gun, no? Tapos si Skyloft nandun sa likod. Dumaan muna kami dito kay Golden Kingpin. Ito nyo naman si Golden Kingpin, no? Okay. Dito muna tayo kay Golden Kingpin.
Ang tindi niya, akala ko alas 11
Ayan, no?
usapan.
Ito, namakyaw ng pagkain si Golden Kingpin, no? May pigeon grits, safflower, winner's cup, barley. Tsaka ano ba tong isa na to? Ito yung pagkain ng breeder niya. Ayan, no? Dudugasin na ni ano. Ano ba yan, boy? Tinong nga.
Yung standard na GFL.
Ayan,
May ganus, oh. Ayan, no?
Balik mo na. Nakikita, pwede lumalabas to.
Yan, baka umiyak yan si Bambam.
Bambam na dito.
Ayan, no?
Yung GFL mo nandun.
Pataka,
Kasama kami ng 9.
meron ka bang yellow drops? May kanker, oh.
Nabasag kaya meron ka ano, nakakalang kapag candy. Kamo.
Pumasok pa si Kuya Oscar talaga.
Cook.
Tangina mo, papasok mo na saglit to.
Ayan, nandiyan ba yung GFL?
Oh, dito.
Sakto, bagsak niyan, mantika na, no?
Hindi mo na makukuha sa akin to, kung dito na sa box ko. Di ba maano to?
Hindi, hook mo sa kabila din.
Saan pa si Kuya Oscar?
Kukuha ka ng yellow drops.
Hindi gago. Malilit lang pa kayo.
Lalais na kami, nagmamadali ito si Bambam. Nag-stop by muna kami dito sa 7-Eleven para magpagas. Okay, ayan, oh. Tapos ito, nagawa na natin yung pedigree ni Top Gun. Okay, so comment lang kayo kung gusto nyong turuan ko kayo kung paano, ano yung madaling gamitin sa paggawa ng pedigree ng kalapate. Okay, so ang dami ko ng tinry. So far, ito yung pinaka the best. And I think wala nang gaganda pa dito. Okay, so yan yung yan yung ginawa natin kagabi lang. Okay, kay Top Gun yan, tapos nilagay na natin yung pangalan niya. Okay guys, so we're here at AGN with Brock, Perry, Skyloft, and Top Gun.
You guys ready to come check out the loft?
Yeah.
No, we have some birds. Texted your dad last night.
Yeah. It's like, we're gonna have guys showing up tomorrow morning.
So who's staying here right now? Staying at the...
So one day, it's all gonna be everything.
Oh, Top Gun, oh. Shout out daw.
Shout out
Kind of the vision that
mga
we got
RPG
going on
group,
here. This is
Mantika,
gonna over there. I think it's
tsaka
gonna be
mga taga
parking lot,
Tracy.
and then
O, nasan ka?
Hilmar,
yeah, and the party
AGN.
will be on the left
Yun, no?
side, inside the bar. 'Cause I don't.
Okay guys, so nandito kami sa AGN. Kita nyo naman yung pwesto nila kung gaano kalaki. Okay?
The left space is all
So every year,
just like
uma-attend kami dito kasi masaya dito. Okay? Marami ka nakikilalang maayos na tao dito. So right now, ang nagmamanage na is yung anak ni Tim Perry. So si Brock, siya na nagmamanage nitong AGN ngayon.
right there. If you guys look over that big old
So
pile,
he's the one in the middle.
that's the grandpa shop. That gray thing right over the
Okay.
pile.
Okay guys, so mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung bagong loft nila. Tingnan natin, dito pa lang sa labas ang laki. Ayan. Tapos meron pang extension na trailer, yung nasa labas. Okay.
Cut it
Okay.
out for the next build.
Ito yung old AGN loft.
Yeah, this is how big the old AGN was.
Oh yeah.
Just like that. It's only an 8-foot by 36-foot trailer, and there was little walls in here, obviously, because that's where we had the sections. But I tore all the walls out. Now we're two times more than this, so we're 3 times more. And I'll show you those little sections could only be 8 foot deep.
Mm-hmm.
And now if you go on in here, our sections are 12 foot wide but we're 11 or 17 foot deep.
So right now they have like 22 birds from local. Wow, look at that. And look at the purchase, guys. So what's the distance between?
About I think it's
10?
about 8,
Eight?
10. I mean 9 to 10. I know we're at least 9 here, I
Oh,
believe,
okay.
but we're 9 to 10 here. These are all from the old loft too. All these perches are from the old loft. We have new ones built actually. If you come on, walk on here. We got new ones built right here. These not these 2 top ones, but right here we just ripped a piece of plywood. So on the back, it's 4 inches or 3 inches, I believe. And then you just put or it must be
Only
4.
2 screws, huh?
Yep,
Yeah.
only 2 screws. And it's
Probably 3 inches.
yeah, at least an inch and a half.
No, the
screw.
screws.
Yeah, at least an inch and a half, but probably 2. I don't really know what Grandpa put in there, but definitely they got to be long enough for the birds to sit on. But
Yeah.
you know the birds aren't that heavy, so
And this is just the distance. So.
yeah, it's a whole foot from left to right. So
Oh, okay.
it's foot center to center.
Okay.
Oh shoot! All right.
We forgot to close it.
Yeah, I know. All right.
Bill, look at the color. That one.
His weakness.
You guys need to carry a box too? I can carry a box.
Okay. We are ready to go. And so,
Okay.
where's the paper?
Okay. Sa atin lang muna.
So, how many birds do we got here right now?
Ilan yun sa'yo?
I got 5.
How about you?
Apat dito, 4, 6. So we have 11 total.
Probably
us,
11, yeah.
But we only got 6. But some people will come over here and they'll bring it.
Oh yeah, no problem. Okay.
But they're all paid off, so.
Okay. And all prepaid birds. So.
Yeah.
Yep.
You want to start or me? And his is like separate. Because you get like a different.
Team. Okay. This is pretty here. All right. So who wants to go first? Don't matter.
Bill. So,
Where's mine? Here?
yeah.
Yeah. Tatlo pala yung kay Kuya, pati kay Kuya Bugs nandyan pala.
Yeah, ma.
So 12 dala natin.
Ay, sa kanya rin. Is it
Oo. Akin yan.
Di pa alam mo na natin yan.
Hindi, atin yun. Sa syndicate natin. Yeah. Yun, no?
Good luck, buddy.
Ganda.
You guys didn't by chance fill one of these out, right?
No.
I'll just get one here for you.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Ventilation.
Yun, no?
So there's one,
Ang number niyan para meron kang...
Meron na.
and there's only 2 lofts here, right?
Yan si Skylof, oh.
Alright.
I-shoutout mo man lang yung fans mo.
Boy pa naman taga Manila.
He got first on the drop last year, right? First
Yeah.
bird clocking on in the 400.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ganda nung ibon, oh. Nakakapegi ka lang mo may bulak sa mata, oh. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Yung puti niya sa mata, napakakapal. Kala mo bulak.
You're home.
Okay, so that's for pups, I guess.
Oh, a little bit too much.
Yeah.
Some bleed, some don't.
Bigyan mo kami dito.
Some of them bleed, some of them don't.
Mamaya. Ew.
Mamalaki tayo.
He's a bleeder, you see?
Oh.
Some of them bleed whenever you give them this guy. Make him bleed.
How deep is that?
He's so we got 4 prongs, 4 little needles,
Uh-huh.
and you dip it, and then you poke him right here in the right in the underbelly,
Oh, okay.
right here. And you can see he's bleeding all over me right now, but
It's alright.
yeah, it's alright. He'll be alright. Huh?
Yung full sib nung nanalo last year. Ayun, pati kulay, oh. Kaya pala choco, no? Parang faded na blue check.
Ito yung pinadala ko dito na eh. Yung white tone yun.
Nako, ito pa yung secret weapon, no? White toenail. May pangga. Oh. Parang may ano sa nguso. Sinusubuan ba ng ano yan?
Ano?
Yellow drops.
Siyempre, dapat yung ka.
Ayan, oh. May lasura. Yellow drops. Ayan yung ibon ni Bill, oh. Duguan, no? Ayan.
Napal ko na agad, napal ko.
Virgin.
Virgin.
Ayan. Please invite them to AGN.
Come and join AGN. You can sign up on Wink Opinion. Our website is www.agnrace.com, and our Facebook is AGN OLR. Our Instagram is AGN Race. So if you guys are interested in bringing your birds to the AGN, one of the best one-loft races in California, feel free. I mean, we're building a brand new loft. You guys can come see it for yourself. We got a lot more coming, so stay tuned, and thank you.
Okay. Shout out, boy.
Here, bro. For you.
Oh, heck yeah. Appreciate that.
Shout out.
No, sorry.
Yo. Yung naghaharutan ng dalawa, oh.
We have
Okay guys, so after
obviously,
niyang
that, and there's a
mabakunahan,
lot, and then
ang ginagawa niya is nilalagyan niya na ng band
we
and
got
then
in the first place, and we dealt with
uh,
it. It was-
inaano
and
na
we've
niya,
gotten a lot of positive feedback. A lot of guys were
vaccine
like,
na.
"Oh, I'm so
Okay.
glad you guys changed your payout." I was like, yep.
Good.
I'll take another one.
Vid,
And I know the special that we did, that worked out really good. We did really good on that, especially for our AGN guys like you guys that have been showing up every year. You know, we got 750 birds pre-paid for, so as if
okay guys, so this how he do it.
750 perches at the end of January. That's how much we did, which
And it was a good deal. $90 per perch. You can't beat that.
you can't beat that. And that's what I like is that our old AGN guys, the guys that are already going to get in for 140, you know, it gives them a break for being in the race for so many years, you know.
I remember last year you put up a promo again for Easter, like 6, you get 2 free.
We did that later on in the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
season.
So that's
And
PMB Rota.
it was
Pops.
more for, we weren't getting the birds that we wanted because
And then
Dad and Grandpa weren't
for
advertising.
external
Like I said,
parasite.
Grandpa wanted to.
And then
Grandpa's
what
been
do you call
wanting
it?
to like do his stuff. He has other stuff to do in the
Deworming
summer
the bird.
whenever this season comes around. So since
Okay,
Grandpa
so
finally
shoutout sa inyong
he was
lahat.
like, hey,
At
if you want the pigeon business and you want to take it over with your dad,
yan
then
yung
by
SSA
all
bird
means.
natin.
So
Oh.
that's what I
Okay.
did, and now that I took it over, I just
Yan yung
been pushing
mananalo
all
ng
the
100
social
grand.
media, doing
Tagaan nyo sa bato.
those flyers that you see. I learned
Ayan,
how to
ganun
make
sana.
all those on the
Okay.
program.
Okay guys, so bago natin i-end yung video natin, pakita ko ulit sa inyo yung mga ibon. Ayan, no? So ito yung mga ibon na nandito ngayon sa AGN. Okay? So kung papansin nyo yung perch nila, ang ganda ng perch nila. Okay? So Probably ang distance nito is around 6 inches lang. And then dito is between 9 inches. Okay? So kasi from here to here, sabi niya 12 eh. So I guess ito mga 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay? So ganyan yung concept nila dito. And then again, yung taas is around 9 inches lang. Okay, so ito yung mga feeder niya. Ayan. Ayan. So na-open yung pakainan nila. Okay, and tsaka ang pinaka-simple lang dito is yung wire ang ginagamit nila. Ayan. So hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng very expensive na pakainan. Okay. Ang mapapansin mo rito, number 1 is yung ventilation, napakaganda kasi may ventilation sa taas, sa baba. So talagang ang ibon less ang magkakasakit dito. And sa experience naman namin dito, walang nagkakasakit na ibon. Unless dinala mo na yung ibon dito na may sakit na. Okay, so ito yung mga ibon na nandito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around 23, hindi tayo nagkakamali. Okay, so merong isa yung gandang kulay. Yan. Tsaka ayun, palagi ko mag-nestmate yan. Ayan, so siguro sa quarantine area muna yung mga ibon bago nila dito pagsamasamahin. So ang kulang na lang namin is yung kay EC725, kay DC Loft at saka kay JMC Loft para sa syndicate ng RPG group. O yan. So papaalam na tayo. Ano, okay na kayong dalaw dyan? Oh. Oh. Iyon, no? Iyon, no? Okay, papaalam na tong dalawa. Oh. Iyon, no? Oh, yan na. Naghaharutan pa yung dalawa. Ha? Kita-kits. Alam niyo na, rak-raka na. Dalawa, oh. Naghaharutan naman, nagsusundutan ng puwet. Ayan. Gagantihan na naman ng isa yan. Siyempre, hindi papayag yan. Okay, huling sulyap dyan sa mga ibon natin bago natin iwanan dito sa Hilmar. Yan natin, so okay naman sila. Ayun, no? Shout out to sa RPG kay Kuya Bogs. Mga ibon natin, oh. Okay. Nirelease na sila sa loob. Ayan, oh. May mga ibon nyo. RPG. This is the party bar.
Mabilis at matalino. Ano pang hanapin mo? Uwi at uwisyo. Kaano man kahirap ang daanan, siguradong may kalapati kang abangan. Boss Jaguar naming mahal, inspirasyon ka ng iyong kakilala sa larangan ng kalapatiran. Ikaw ay number 1, basta't happy lang. Iwasan ang mga ungas na ikitan. Kailangan ay walang pagtutunuran, basta't laging tatandaan. Kalapati ay enjoy lamang magbahagi ng talino at karanasan. Siguradong di kay pasasalamatan. Boss Jaguar naming mahal, sa amin ikaw ay number 1. Kalapati ba kay Boss Jaguar ka na? Mabilis at matalino, ano pa ang hahanapin mo? Uuwi at uuwi show, gano'n man kahirap ang daanan, siguradong may kalapati kang aabangan. Boss Jaguar naming mahal, inspirasyon ka ng iyong kakilala sa larangan ng kalapatiran. Ikaw ay number one, basta't happy lang. Iwasan ang mga ungas na inggitan. Kailanman ay walang patutunguhan, basta't laging tatandaan, kalapati ay i-enjoy lamang. Pagbahagi ng talino at karanasan, siguradong ika'y pasasalamatan. Boss Jaguar naming mahal, sa aming ikaw ay number one.
Wow.
There's a room up there. And
Ang ganda oh, sinusunog talaga nila oh.
other than that, probably this year that'll be closed off.
Kalapati ba kay Boss Jaguar ka na? Mabilis at matalino, ano pa ang hahanapin mo? Uuwi at uuwi show, gano'n man kahirap ang daanan, siguradong may kalapati kang aabangan. Boss Jaguar naming mahal, inspirasyon ka ng iyong kakilala sa larangan ng kalapati.
It's pretty identical, basically. But it's big. You guys want to? You guys can go upstairs and check it out. But it's just being the videos that I do and the lives. They don't do this thing justice until you're in it and looking at it. It's yeah. So that's what I was saying. Is the parking kind of out there? And maybe maybe a year to 2 years time, maybe we can get out some, start other than the barn, but get out there and start decorating, like put up maybe a barn or a little lean-to or whatever.